it's Rhian here from Box Clever Theatre Company. I'm going to be doing a monologue from A Christmas Carol today, and I'm going to be playing the part of Belle, Scrooge's ex-girlfriend. I did A Christmas Carol last year where I played Belle and other characters, and we're going to look at the scene today where we go back into Scrooge's past and we see the moment where his then girlfriend, Belle, breaks up with him. It's a really powerful scene because you see how at that time he changed and he became very obsessed with money, very obsessed with gain, and he didn't put his priority into his relationship, and he showed a lack of care towards her, even though he did still love her. And unfortunately that meant that she broke up with him and he lost the love of his life in that moment. And it's a really powerful scene, so I've condensed it into Belle's monologue, what she says to Scrooge, and so I hope it gives you an insight into that, and I hope you enjoy. Ebb, I have watched your nobler aspirations just fall off, one by one, until the master passion, gain, just engrosses you. You've changed, Ebb. You're not the man I knew. Look, I've been thinking about this for a while now. About us. About you and me. I can release you. You have sought release, but in a changed nature, in an altered spirit, in anything that made my love of any worth or value in your sight. Just tell me, Ebb. Would you seek me out and try to win me now? If you were free today, you wouldn't choose a dowerless girl, would you? No, it's okay. I release you, Ebb. With a full heart. For the love of the man I once knew. May you be happy in the life that you have chosen.